Hi, today we're going to show you what we do to assemble drive units. This is a drive unit that we use in the Escapade and the Encore, and there is a little bit of difference in what we do when we assemble them. We start with the same housing. This is a rotational molded housing, as is of course the boats, but also several of the other parts that we use in the boats, the rudder, the seats, the steering handle, the arch on the Escapade, and those are all molded together, what we call a family mold on a backbone mold holder, and we'll get into that another time and what and how that happens. But this here, I want to show you that this has parts that are reinforcement parts that are molded in there. There's two aluminum tubes that extend up into here. There is this injection molded plastic part. There's also two crossbars that go across, and these are put into the mold that makes this, as well as the plastic before the molding is actually done. So this is a part that has reinforcements in it. Some rotational molded parts do have reinforcements in it, and some don't. Okay, this today, now we're going to we got some fixtures here that help the assembly. So we lay this on here. This is the axle that the cranks go on, and it's known in the bicycle trade as the bottom bracket. The black part on here is an injection molded part that we make, and it is specifically for this particular drive unit, as well as the drive unit on the Sprite. So this goes in here. This is a heavy press fit. It's actually a drive fit that goes in here, so I'll show you how we do this. This goes in here. There's two little recesses right here and two little studs that are on here. This goes down in here, and this keeps us from rotating when it is being used as a pedal drive unit, to keep this whole thing from turning and twisting as the boat is being pedaled. So this goes down in here. It does not fit down in, as I mentioned before. It has to be driven in there. It is a press or a driving fit. This has to be lined up so those two little studs will go down into that recess. And that's how it's done. And this is used so that we don't drive onto the axle of the bottom bracket unit itself and compromise the bearings that are inside. It's driven down right on this edge right here. Okay, we move this from this location over into our assembly fixture over this way.